Copy and paste with polar coordinates, dynamic mode set to 3, relative base point. When copying, if the dynamic mode is set to 1 or 3, AutoCAD will assume that it is the relative point that the point will be taken from. In the example, the base point will be located at the bottom left of the object, which is positioned 15, 15, 0. I'll be copying and pasting 28.284 at 45 degrees from that point. This is to offset at 35, 35, 0. The less than symbol and 45 will give me 45 degrees. Check the dynamic mode is set to 3 by typing DYNM, as this will show the value it is set to. Change it to 3 if it is not set to 3. Select the object. Click C and O to bring up copy in the command line menu. Hit enter. Type 15, 15, 0 and enter to set the base point. Type in 28.284. Shift comma to set the less than symbol, backspace 45 to give the degrees, and enter. You will notice in the command line that the @ symbol is automatically placed before the value of 28.284. Press Escape to exit the command and spacebar to repeat the command. Please like and subscribe if you find my videos helpful, and if you would like to support me, you can on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.